Hello there. Yeah, I know I haven't done a video in a while, but I was kind of thinking, and I was just wondering, have you ever say, wanted to fake your house being on fire so you could get out of an annoying Skype call? Or maybe have you ever needed a redneck smoke machine on the cheap? Well, look no further. Stereo Dust Particles has you covered. This is a quick look over walkthrough of the Hankscraft by Gerber Whisper Mist Ultrasonic Humidifier. I picked this up last week, I think, for a rather reasonable price at the thrift shop. Though these kinds of tags are kind of hard to pop off after you get it home. Let's go ahead and turn that down a little bit. And I actually bought this with the idea of taking it into work. My office is actually pretty dry. I work on computers, so humidity is actually kind of a good thing to prevent static electricity. And I have trouble breathing. And then it's usually cold, so usually myself or a coworker or both of us has an electric heater going, just basically so our hands don't freeze. Now, UXW Bill has a couple videos on these ultrasonic humidifiers, so if you want to see how they work, I suggest looking up those videos. I intend to put some links in the description so you can check them out for your convenience. And if you do want to check those links out after the video, now will be a wonderful time to turn off the autoplay feature in your YouTube playlist if you have that, if you have the playlist window. I don't mind the playlist window. I just wish the autoplay would just stay turned off when I turn it off. Anyway, this is just just a very quick walkthrough and using the knowledge I remember from the UXW Bill video, and I have not actually watched that in a while. But here's the back of it. There's a good look at the back. Pause the video if you want the numbers. I'm trying to hold it steady. Now, oddly enough, I did a video sometime back on a vaporizer. That's a Hankscraft by Gerber. It's sheer coincidence that both of these have the same brand name. However, this one is marked as having the manufacturer of TSC, whatever that is. But right here's a power light. Right here's a humidity level, which basically turns it on and off. It's a humidistat. Works just like a thermostat, except with humidity. Right here is it says power and volume switch, which as you turn it up, it can go from a small amount to that. So what I really like about this is this tub comes right off, and it's got a self-sealing this little plug on the end that you take out. You take this out, fill it, put it back in, and then it seals until you put it in. Then it pushes in that valve, letting the water through. Then there's a little safety float in case it runs out. It'll just turn things off. And then right here is where things get fun. There's a little ultrasonic transducer, best if I remember correctly how this works, and that little thing right there is just the output of a small fan that's inside the unit to help force the water out. I have no idea what that little brush thingy in the back is for, so let's just go ahead and put this back on so the mist, the Whisper Mist, will come back on out. While this doesn't use water very quickly, I've got this thing almost full, as you can see, and everybody knows water is heavy. Now, I have not done much to clean this thing up, but I just wanted to get a really quick video in on this thing, so So that way, I could just go ahead and get this thing taken into work and hopefully make my breathing easier. And like I said, if you want to know more about how these work, look up the UXW Bill video. Like I said, I intend to put links in the description so you can check those out conveniently, because he does a much better job explaining the workings of these things than I ever could.